Okay guys, today I'm going to show you CPA marketing free traffic method. And actually a few months ago, I already showed you this method, but I added a little twist that increased my conversion rate by 20 to 30%. So I decided to make this method again. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to go on Google and we need to find some interesting quizzes, interesting rebuses, mathematical problems and stuff like that, because people like to take quizzes, people like to solve mathematical problems and rebuses, okay? That converts really well. So here in the search bar, I can simply say something like this, mathematical tricks, and then press enter. And then what I need to do, I need to go here on images. And here you can find there is lots and lots of interesting mathematical problems that you can use. And for example, let's just say I wish to use this one here. Now when I click here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and empty square. And here you can see what goes in the empty square. And everybody will think it goes number 6, right? But here you can see, hint, it is not 6. So everybody will think, okay, if it is not 6, what number actually goes in this empty square, right? And they will actually wish to find out. And that is why this actually converts really well, because people like to solve this kind of stuff. Actually, many people this actually bothers. They wish to see what number goes here. They try to solve it, but they can't. And they actually go and they convert really well for us. They actually don't know, but they are making money for us. That is why this is really good. So what I need to do, I actually need to save this image on my desktop. Simply just click here, right click here, save image as. Now, next thing we need to do, we actually need to make a bridge page. Now, to make bridge page, you can use system.io, you can use Kartra, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use your own blog or website or whatever you want. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Google Sites. And here for the title, I will simply say, let's just say mathematical tricks. And I will add here capital M, and I will make this to be bold. Of course, you will come up with something better, but I will just add mathematical tricks. And here, now I need to upload my image. So I will simply click here on images, click here on upload, and let me just find the image. This is the image. And here you can see I uploaded this image, and actually I'm going to make this image to be large, okay? And now this image is larger. And actually I'm going to move it here on the center, a bit more, okay? Now it is on center, and now everybody see this. What goes in the empty square? Hint, it is not 6. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on ChatGPT, okay? And here I already prepared a prompt, okay? And here I need to say something like this, okay? And then press enter. And here you can see, create me an HTML poll, and I gave the exact question that I wish ChatGPT to make in this poll, and I gave it exact answer that I wish ChatGPT to offer in this poll, okay? So now will this ChatGPT is writing this HTML code. Now we actually need to create a CPA marketing content locker. So I need to go on CPA Grip. I'm going to use CPA Grip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want. Click here, create URL locker. Agree to the terms of condition, click here and continue. And now I need to create my content locker. I like to use templates, and I like to use this one here, human verification, because people are used to seeing this human verification all over the internet, and they will think it is just another human verification, but they don't know that they will actually make money for us. It is a little trick that gives a better conversion rate, okay? So now what I need to do, I actually need to offer solution for this mathematical problem. I already found a YouTube video that explains this. So this is the video that explains what number actually goes in this empty square. And what I need to do, I simply need to copy the link to this YouTube video, and I need to go back here on CPA Grip, click here on General, and here where it says locked URL, I need to paste link to that YouTube video. Now these things here, you can change them if you want, but you don't really need, okay? But like I said, you can change that. And all I have to do now is just click here on save and give it a second. And this is my URL locker. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on get links. And this is my link here, okay? So what I need to do, I now need to copy this, okay? And I need to paste that here in Notepad, okay? And what I need to do now, I need to go back here on ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT finished writing this code. So I will simply copy this and I need to paste that here in Notepad. And what I need to do now, I actually need to find the URL specific part. Okay, this part here, yourwebsite.com. So I simply need to copy my content locking link. That is really important. You need to copy your content locking link and you need to paste that here, okay? Paste that here, okay? And now what I need to do? Now I need to copy this HTML code, Control C, and I need to go back here on Google Sites. And I need to click here on embed, and then click here on embed code. And I need to paste that code here, click on next, and here you can see how this actually looks. And when I click here on insert, here you can see how this looks. And when I click here on preview, you can see how this actually looks. Here you can see what goes in the empty square. And here you can see hint, it is not 6. Okay, and here you can see, click on the right answer. I added a little poll, so I made it easier for them, okay, to find out. And many people will actually take the easy road. They will click on one of these 6, 10, 15, none of the above. You can just add any numbers. I just added random numbers, okay? And when they click here, for example, 15, and when they click here on submit, they will be automatically redirected on my content locker. And if they finish the survey to confirm that they are human beings, they will be redirected on the YouTube video that is actually solving this problem on this YouTube video. And trust me, guys, this increased conversion rate for me 20 to 30%. This works really, really well. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to start driving traffic to our Google site, okay? So what I need to do, I actually need to go on Canva. And from my experience, these kind of quizzes, these kind of mathematical problems, and this kind of CPA offers actually works the best on Pinterest. And that is why we are going to use Pinterest to drive free traffic. So what you need to do, you simply need to add that image here, okay? And I'm going to make this larger to make it fit, okay? Something like this. And now here I actually need to click on T for text, and I'm going to add this text style. So I don't need this. I'm going to delete that, and actually I'm going to move that here, and I'm going to copy this text here, Control C, go back here on Canva, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? Paste that here, make it a bit smaller and a bit wider, okay? Like this, and make it center, okay? And I'm going to move that here. And actually I'm going to increase the between lines, space between lines, okay? And now here you can see how this actually looks. This is a Pinterest pin template. So all I have to do now is just click here on share, and then I need to click here on download, and download again, and I will download this Pinterest pin on my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on Pinterest. And what I need to do, I need to click here on create a pin. That is really important. And here I need to upload my pin that I created here in Canva. And I need to click here, and let me just find that pin. Okay, this is the pin, and here you can see how my pin looks. So now people who are actually looking this kind of stuff on Pinterest, they will see what goes in the empty square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here they will see hint, it is not 6. And here I need to add my call to action. I can say something like click here to see solution. Okay, here you can see click here to see solution. So like I said, people will see this mathematical problem, they can't solve this, so they will see my call to action, click here to see the solution. And what I need to do now, I actually need to go back here on Google Sites. I need to copy link to my Google site, and I need to paste that here where it says add a destination link. I need to add that here, and I need to choose the right board here, and all I have to do after that, just click here on save, and I will save this pin on Pinterest, on my Pinterest account. And like I said, people like to solve this kind of stuff, and they will see this problem, this mathematical problem, they will see my call to action, they will click here, they will be automatically redirected to this page here, they will see this little poll here, and they will click here on submit. They will be automatically redirected on my content locker, and if they fulfill the survey to confirm that they are human beings, I will make money. And like I said, this little thing here, this little survey, this little poll increased my conversion rate by 20 to 30%. And that is why you need to use this method. And also, like I said, Pinterest is great for this kind of stuff, and Pinterest is free, and that is why this is CPA marketing free traffic method. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.